Too many people filling up when they don't need to.
Okay, so it's a panic buy.
Everyone's selfish. Panic buys. It's just. I bet the majority of these people that are queuing up don't need it.
Wow, okay.
But there are people you can see all around with.
Yeah, they actually need
commercial vehicles.
Yes.
That if they haven't got it in the van, they don't go to work.
That's true. So, do you think Brexit might be the reason behind this, or might have instigated this situation?
It might have a little bit something to do with the amount of lorry drivers, but
Okay.
no, I think you can blame too much on.
All
Brexit,
right. And what do you think is the best solution so far?
Best solution: emigrate.
Sorry? Can you
Emigrate.
All right. Thank you very much. Have a good day. What is your name, sir?
My name's Philip.
Philip. So, what do you think is the cause behind the petrol scarcity?
I think people just filling up for the sake of it.
All right.
Just
Panic.
Panic buying.
Alright.
Yes, there were panic buying.
Do you think Brexit is the reason why this is going on?
Yeah.
And
Brexit, because the European, we're out of Europe now.
Yeah, that's
and
true.
no more drivers in Europe can't come to the UK. It's causing problems.
Do you think Brexit was a good idea?
I did at the time, but I don't think it is now.
No, okay. And what do you think is the best solution right now?
Go back into Europe.
Go back. All right. Thank you very much, Philip. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.